The mobile nature of Instagram. In closing, we've now gone over in depth how you can position your business or brand as a valuable player on Instagram. You should now understand not only how to create valuable content, but also how to generate traffic and conversions with the platform. Instagram is first and foremost a mobile app. This represents a number of challenges that you have to consider at all times when marketing on the platform. If it can't be done with a thumb, it can't be done at all. You need to assume that the mobile user is the laziest human being on earth for the sake of benefiting both the viewer and your business. Instagram is optimized for the mobile device, and because of that, you need to think about every step of your buyer's journey, from viewing your post to where it may lead them. If your conversion is sending your audience to a blog, how optimized is that site for mobile devices? Is it going to look funky? Have you done the proper testing? All of these mobile sites have buttons on the top right side of the screen. But did you know the reason why? Well, the majority of people are right-handed, as statistics have proven. Any guesses as to why these clued-up companies would do a thing like that? They know the simple truth that you will lose sales if your site is not optimized for mobile devices at all, especially if you generate traffic through Instagram. Here's just a few other mobile device optimization considerations. Simple navigation. Minimize scrolling. Keep everything vertical. Hierarchy in menus. Back buttons. The world is increasingly mobile, and e-commerce is a billion-dollar industry which is constantly growing. Now, you might think I'm drifting from the subject, but Instagram will draw primarily mobile traffic, and you need to be aware of this and understand what it means for your marketing campaigns. Final thoughts. In closing, we've now gone over in depth how you can position your business or brand as a valuable player on Instagram. You should now understand not only how to create valuable content, but also how to generate traffic and conversions with the platform. As such, analytics are vital for tracking the buyer's journey. A massive advantage that digital marketing has over traditional marketing is that you can track a buyer every step of the way. If you follow the buyer's journey, you'll know exactly what to improve on and what areas to put more focus towards. In a nutshell, you need analytics if you want to market successfully online. Because you are using Instagram to generate traffic and market your brand, you need to ensure that the software you use can monitor mobile traffic. There are hundreds of products that will do this, and unfortunately, I am not going to recommend one over the other because I have no idea what you require for your business and your needs. I will, however, fully recommend that you take the time to do the research and invest in one. Finally, I hope this has helped you in some way with your digital marketing journey on the Instagram platform. Be sure to refer to this material again if you need to soak it up some more. Otherwise, the next step should be planning out your presence and your content for Instagram. Venture out and do some research on the popular accounts that are operating in the same market as you. Base your game plan on their positive results and always work to improve your campaigns by monitoring your own results.